Hello, I'm Fernanda Chamorro, and I'm reporting on the Occupy Fairbanks movement. It's a little chilly out here for me, so we're gonna go inside and talk to some of the members. So I understand that you began the movement here, along with a few others?
Yeah, I helped start it with, we started a Facebook page a couple months ago, and then from there just kind of, everyone just kept piling onto it, and so it just grew bigger and bigger.
I'm not allowed to have open flames in the park technically, but we essentially decided we were going to start doing that because we needed a way to keep ourselves warm while we were out there, and we decided, and a lot of other places have decided as well, to stand on the ground that is protected by our First Amendment rights to assemble, because we need to be able to essentially to protect ourselves, to survive out in that temperature if we're going to continue our demonstration.
Is there something that you're angry about, or is there just something you want to change?
Well, that's a funny question. There are many things that I'm not very happy about. Personally, one of the things I'd really like to change the most is corporate money influence in politics. One of the things I like about the Occupy movement is that they haven't honed in on an issue. As soon as this gets honed in on an issue, it's going to be decapitated.
And do you think that it's helping?
Yeah, it is. I mean, we've been getting calls from Anchorage to get live streaming. I've just been on the phone with Occupy Rochester out in New York, and I've got calls from like Germany and Amsterdam, so it's a lot of people are paying attention, and we're giving them a lot of support from being way up here.
Right.
Rochester was saying it's 40 degrees out there, and they're asking us on how to survive in the winter. Like, dude, that's not even winter. That's t-shirt weather.
And it lets us show them that we're out here when it's 30, 40 below. You guys will be able to deal with your winters wherever you are.
This has been Fernanda Chamorro, all the way from Fairbanks, Alaska. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.